Zoom video meetings can be stressful, but if you are hosting the meeting and you're responsible for doing the recording, then the stakes are even higher. There's so many things to think about. During the meeting, you have to remember to hit the record button. And then after the meeting, what are you going to do with that recording? Do you need to edit it? Are you going to share it with somebody? Are you going to use it for a podcast or for an online course or to upload to YouTube? A lot of things to think about. So there are so many things to think about. I've prepared a Zoom video call recording checklist, and I cover things like scheduling the Zoom meeting, what you need to do, what you should do the day before the call, and then just before the meeting begins, during the meeting, and then immediately afterwards. So scheduling the meeting, just here are some things that you need to think about. What's the topic of the meeting? Give it a good name. When's it going to start? Is this a recurring meeting? Should you include your personal meeting ID? And what about the waiting room so that people don't just jump into the meeting before you are in there as the host? Now, this checklist also includes links to the Zoom Help Center. So you can click straight to there and it'll take you right through to where you need to be on the Zoom Help page. Now, when you schedule the meeting, I suggest, especially if you are going to record it, that you let people know that ahead of time. Now, the day before the call or the Zoom meeting, you can do things like update your Zoom profile picture if you need to. And I've got links there to videos showing you how to do that, and check that your time zones are correct. Just before the meeting, you want to make sure that you've got sufficient disk space for the recordings, depending on whether it's going to be a local recording or going to the Zoom cloud. And you can turn on recording timestamps that will appear in the recording itself. You might like to change your background image, check your lighting, mic and camera. So as you can see, there are a lot of things that you need to remember as you are planning your meeting. Now, if you're sharing your screen, is there anything that you need to have ready before you do that? A good idea to shut down tabs and other applications that you won't be using, so you won't be sharing confidential information or something that is just going to be a distraction. Maybe you need to close your door or put up a sign in your home office, if that's where you're doing this from, to prevent interruptions. Put your mobile on silent. Check out the names and pronunciation of people, and then know where your mute and unmute button is. And during the meeting itself, are you the host? If you're not, then has the host given you permission to record? And once again, you can click on that link and that will take you straight to the Zoom help page explaining how to get permission to record a meeting. A few courtesy reminders for people as before you hit recording, and of course remember to hit stop recording at the end once you've finished recording what you need, or else you can just end the meeting. And then rename the recording after the meeting. Once again, there's a link on how to do that. Now, if you want to get this Zoom video call recording checklist, you can get it for a nominal fee. Check the link in the description below. Now, it really pays to be organized when you are hosting a Zoom meeting, especially if you are recording that meeting. It can be a bit embarrassing if you have held a good Zoom meeting and then you lose the recording. And to get hold of the Zoom recording checklist, check the link in the description of this video.